In this one, okay. A group of 10 roommates share the rent for an apartment equally. If the apartment's monthly rent is $R and X of the roommates moved out, which of the following is an expression for the additional rent paid by each remaining roommate? Right? So, what is the options given? What is a common? Tell me, what is a common variable in the option in the question? Correct. Good one. So just assume the good number. What is R? What is R given here? Rent. Monthly rent is R. Correct, no? Monthly rent is R. 10 roommates share the rent for an apartment equally. If the apartment's monthly rent is $R and X of the roommates move out. Initially, how many are there? Initially, 10 roommates. Out of 10, how many are moving out? X. Correct? Which of the following is an expression or additional rent paid by each remaining roommates? Okay. Initially, let's say there are 10 roommates, right? It's given 10 roommates initially. And let's say R, I can assume some number. What is a good number you can assume R? Can you assume 10? R equals 10. If R is equals 10, that is a so what should be total should be how much expenditure? The room rent. 100 is room rent. Correct? No. Now, X people moved out. So how much you want to assume X? Can you assume 5? Assume any number. So I like the number 5 here because it's easier to solve it. So now 5. So what should be the room rent now? Everybody is paying $10. So what is room rent now? 50. So what happened? So which of the following is an expression for the additional rent paid by each? So now the room rent, now I'll get only 50, but I have to pay how much? 100. Correct? No. So what is extra we have? 50. So who will pay? Everybody will pay, no? Equally divide by 5, which is how much? Everybody will pay extra how much? $10. Correct? So $10 is my target. Make sense? Now look at in every option. Now $10 extra, remember, keep in the mind, which means $20 they're paying now. Now remaining 5 people, they're paying $20 each. So it means 10 is extra. This is the only question. What is expression for additional rent paid by each remaining roommates, right? So $10 is my target. Let's go for plug-in here. Look at the first one. What is R we assumed? Yogendra? 10. What is X we assumed? 5. So R into X means 50. Divide by 10 into 10 minus 10. How much you'll get? 0. Not my answer, no. Correct? Not my answer. Let's cancel out. Look at the second one. 10 into R. It means 10 into 10. Divide by 5. How much you'll get here? 20. 20 is also not my answer. 20 is total rent paid by the remaining 5 people, not the additional. Additional is only 10 rupees, $10, whatever given in the question. Okay, this is also gone. Look at here now. Can you plug in R equals 10 divide by 10 into 10 minus X 5. Correct, no? So how much you'll get? 1 by how much you'll get here? 1 by 5. Also not my answer. Look at the fourth one. R how much we have? 10. 10 minus X, that is 5. 10 minus X is 5 here. Correct? I'll get 2. Not my. What is my answer should be? Check it out. Right or wrong this is? R into X, which means 10 into 5. Divide by 5. 10 minus X, no? Which means R minus 5. Correct? What we assumed here, R equals 10 and X equals 5. So plug in. I'll get 10. And that is my target. My answer. 1 minute. My answer must be this one.